Now let us discuss the surface area of the walls of the room. So surface area of the walls of the room is also called as lateral surface area of cube and cuboid. What does that mean? Surface area of the walls of the room means discluding or excluding the top surface and the bottom surface from a cuboid. For example, just have a look at this figure. This is the left side face of the cuboid. This is the left side face. This is the front face. This is the right side face, and this is the back face. This means in lateral surface area or the surface area of the walls of the room, you only have to include the four faces, or we can say the four walls. You do not have to include this top and the bottom face. You do not have to include them. Then if we do not include these two faces, what is the surface area now? So the modified surface area now becomes 2 into L plus B into H, or 2H into L plus B. So these type of questions are usually asked in examination कि अगर एक रूम है और हमें पेंट करना है या फिर सिर्फ वॉल्स पे ही पेंट करना है तो वॉल्स का क्या सरफेस एरिया होगा. सो यू हैव टू टेक द लैटरल सरफेस एरिया व्हेन यू टेक द एरिया ऑफ फोर वॉल्स. Next is find the area of the four walls of a room whose length is 6, breadth is 5 and height is 4. Also find the cost of whitewashing the walls if the rate of the whitewashing is rupees 5 per meter square. We have to whitewash only the walls of the room. We only have to whitewash the four walls of the room. This means we have to find out the lateral surface area. So lateral surface area equals to 2H into L plus B. Dimensions are already given. Putting in the formula, 2 into H. H is what? 4. L is what? 6. Plus breadth is what? Breadth is what? 5. Breadth is what? 5. 2 4s are 8. 6 plus 5 is 11. This becomes 88. This becomes what? 88. Now, lateral surface area is 88 meter square. They are asking what is the cost of whitewashing if whitewashing it for per square meter is rupees 5. So what is the total cost? Total cost क्या हो जाएगी? Multiplying it by cost of 1 meter square, that is 5 into 88. 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. 44. 440 rupees. 440 rupees. This is how we find the cost of whitewashing. Next is a swimming pool is 20 meter in length, 15 meter in breadth and 4 meter in depth. Find the cost of cementing its floor and walls at the rate of rupees 12 per square meter. So now they are asking us if a swimming pool is 20 meter in length. अगर एक swimming pool 20 meter length का है, 15 मीटर ब्रेथ का, 4 मीटर डेप्थ का है, फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ सीमेंटिंग इट्स फ्लोर एंड वॉल्स एट द रेट ऑफ. अब जब स्विमिंग पूल होगा तो आपको सीमेंटिंग करनी है स्विमिंग पूल में, तो दिस इज वेरी ऑब्वियस कि आप उसका टॉप फ्लोर तो आपका कवर्ड होता नहीं है, मतलब ऊपर से तो स्विमिंग पूल कवर्ड होता नहीं है, द फोर वॉल्स and the floor has to be covered or cemented. So this means we can take the lateral surface area. But when we take lateral surface area, we cover only the four walls. This 2, 3 and 4, the front wall. What about this? What about this area? The base area. Base area is not covered in lateral surface area. So we have to cover this also, and this becomes L into B. Area of this floor becomes what? L into B. So we will add 2H L plus B. We will add L into B to this lateral surface area. Why we will add? क्योंकि जब हम ये lateral surface area लेंगे तो जो 4 walls हैं बस वही काउंट होंगी, लेकिन जो फ्लोर है वो काउंट नहीं होगा. लेकिन हमें करना है यहाँ पे स्विमिंग पूल में फ्लोर काउंट, तो हम क्या करेंगे, सेपरेटली इसका एरिया निकालेंगे, लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ, और उसको हमारे lateral surface area में क्या कर देंगे, ऐड कर देंगे. So the answer now becomes 2H. H is what? 2H, which is the height. Height is given as 4. Length plus breadth is given as 20 plus 15. And L into B means 20 into 15. 20 into 15. Solving this, we get 2 into 4. 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8 into 20 plus 15 is what? 30. 35 into, not into, plus 20 plus 20 into 15. Now solving them, 8 5s are 40, 8 3s are 24, 28, 280. 280 plus 2, 15 2s are 30, 300. We will get what? 0, 8 and 3 plus 2, 5. 580 square meter, or we can say, yes, square meter or meter square. Square meter is the area for the swimming pool. Now they are asking what is the cost of cementing the floor at the rate of 12 per square meter. So the cost can be found out by multiplying it by 12, the area by 12, 580 into 12, we will get the total cost of सीमेंटिंग. वी विल गेट द टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ सीमेंटिंग. बस करना क्या है, सरफेस एरिया आपको करेक्टली फाइंड आउट करना है, क्योंकि सरफेस एरिया इस केस में कभी कभी गलत हो जाता है. सरफेस एरिया गलत नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज सरफेस एरिया इज द 4 walls also and including the floor also, including the floor and the 4 walls. Next is a cuboid has a total surface area of 40 meter square and its lateral surface area is 26 meter square. Find the area of its base. They are asking the total surface area equals to given what, 40 meter square, and its lateral surface area is given what, 26 meter square. This means total surface area includes the 4 walls, base and the top floor, but lateral surface area includes only the 4 walls. So now if we subtract LSA, that is lateral surface area, from TSA, that is total surface area, you will get the area of the floor and the top. But now, for now, we have to find the area of its base. This means we have to find the area of only its base. So what we can do is, first of all, we can find out what is the area of top plus bottom floor, which is nothing but TSA minus LSA. TSA is what? 40 minus 26. We get what? 4. Then we have 3 to 1. 14 meter square. 14 meter square is the total area of the floor also, and top also and floor also. Now we have to find the area of bottom face. We have to find out. Area of top is already given. Area of top is equals to, the total is given as 14. We have to find this term. This means we have to know this term to subtract it. इसको find करना ज़रूरी है ताकि हम इसको इसमें से subtract कर सकें. So we know that ताकि हम इसको इसमें से subtract कर सकें. So now if I say 2 into LB plus 2 into BH plus HL, if I say 2 into BH plus LB plus HL is equals to what? 40, and surface area 2 into H, or we can say L plus B, or we can write it as what? 2 into H L, 2 into HL plus 2 into, or we can say, we are just expanding it, H को अंदर ले जा रहे हैं, BH. तो इसकी वैल्यू क्या दी हुई है? 26 मीटर स्क्वायर. अब इस वैल्यू को हमें इसमें प्लेस करना है. तो कैसे प्लेस करेंगे? So we will get 2HL plus 2BH. 2HL plus 2BH. So the remaining will be 2HL plus 2BH 2HL plus 2BH, the remaining will be 2LB. 2LB equals to 40 minus 26, which we have already done. कितना आया था 14. So 2LB equals to 14. So LB equals to what? Length into breadth is what? 14 upon 2, that is 7. So we can do it this way also and we can do it that way also, which we have done it previously. कि 14 में से डायरेक्टली हमने 26 को माइनस कर दिया तो हमें पता चल गया कि दोनों का एरिया, अब दोनों फ्लोर और टॉप का एरिया हमेशा सेम होता है किसी भी क्यूबॉइड में, दोनों सेम रेक्टेंगुलर फेसेस होते हैं. तो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज रिटन एज 2 into LB. That is why it is written as 2 into LB and then you divide it by 2, you will get 7. So 7 is the area of its base.